Hi! In front of me is TECNO Pop 7 and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. To start by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Now just tap on one of your passwords that you wish to change, in my case my Facebook one. Enter your current screen lock and tap on Edit button. Following that, you can change wherever you wish to. And hit Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!